All right, I know what you're thinking. I've heard it all before. New shampoo, crazy hair treatments, and even some wild hacks to stop hair loss. But what if I told you the real solution is way simpler, and it's been sitting right in front of you the whole time? We're talking about a mineral that's so important for your hair, yet most people don't get enough of it. So, what is it? Zinc. Yep, good old zinc. Zinc is actually like the unsung hero of hair health. It's a powerhouse when it comes to the growth and repair of your hair follicles. Think of it as the glue that holds your hair together. It helps your cells divide properly, supports protein synthesis, which is a fancy way of saying it helps build hair, and even fights inflammation that could otherwise damage your follicles. Without enough zinc, your hair might start thinning, and you could experience more shedding than usual. Yeah, I know it sounds like a lot of science, but here's the simple version. Zinc is like the bodyguard for your hair. When it's missing, your hair can't defend itself from thinning out. So how do you know if you're running low on zinc? Well, here are some signs that might show up. You're noticing more hair in your brush or shower drain. Your scalp is dry, flaky, or even itchy. You've got weak nails that break easily. You're feeling more tired or run down than usual, or you're getting sick all the time. You're dealing with skin issues like acne, eczema, or rashes. If you're nodding along, it might be time to check your zinc levels. Okay, so here's the good news. Boosting your zinc intake isn't that hard. You can get plenty of zinc from your diet. Zinc-rich foods, meat, especially red meat like beef and lamb. Vegetarians, I'm not ignoring you, there's hope. Shellfish, like oysters, shrimp, and crab. Nuts and seeds, especially pumpkin seeds and cashews. Legumes like beans, lentils, and chickpeas. Dairy products like cheese and milk. Whole grains like quinoa and oats. See? There are plenty of delicious options to add more zinc into your life. And if you're not the biggest fan of those foods, or maybe you've got a restricted diet, supplements are an easy option. But here's the thing. Don't go popping zinc pills like candy. Too much zinc can actually mess with your health and mess up other mineral balances, so always consult with your healthcare provider before adding a supplement to your routine. Now, while zinc is a total game changer, it's not the only thing your hair needs to thrive. Here are some quick tips to keep your hair on point. Get enough sleep. Seriously, beauty sleep is real. Eat a balanced, nutrient-rich diet. Manage your stress levels. Stress is a sneaky one, isn't it? Keep your scalp clean and well-nourished with a gentle hair care routine. So there you have it. The one mineral that might just be missing from your life and causing your hair to fall out is zinc. If you're noticing any of those signs I mentioned, it might be time to give your zinc levels a little TLC. Add it to your diet and see if you notice the difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more hair care tips. And tell me, have you ever tried zinc for your hair?